Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare morning routine. Stay tuned. I'm going to start by washing my face with Clean and Clear Morning Burst facial cleanser. It's an oil-free cleanser. The reason why I use oil-free is because I have an oily skin. Please make sure you buy the product that is suitable for your skin. I'm going to be washing my face for 1 minute to allow the ingredients to be absorbed into my skin. The Morning Burst facial cleanser has glycerin that helps in hydration and protection of the skin, and it also has menthol, which gives it a cooling effect on the skin. It also helps in relieving itchiness and irritation. It also has lactic acid, which we all know helps in treating hyperpigmentation and age spots. I'm going to be using a clean and wet towel to wipe up my face. Clean and happy face. Next step is using the face scrub and face masks, facial scrub and facial masks from Oriflame Sweden Pure Skin to be precise. So ever since I started using this scrub, I've totally fallen in love with it. This scrub has tiny particles of exfoliants that would help in removing the dead cells on your skin without you being scared of peeling off the first layer or any skin layer of your skin. It is so tiny and efficient. It works like magic. So this face scrub has salicylic acid, which helps in reducing the production of sebum. Of course, sebum is what produces excess oil on the skin that causes acne. The scrub is also infused with pomegranate, which has antioxidant properties that helps in purifying the face and also toning the face. It also tightens our pore and clears our skin. Because of the presence of vitamin C, it helps in clearing spots and brightening up the face. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, time to rinse off our face. I'm going to be using my wet towel on my face again. My next step is putting on Pure Skin face mask on my face. I will generously apply it all over my face. It has the same ingredients with the face scrub, which is salicylic acid and pomegranate. I already stated what these things do for the skin, so I'm going to apply it all over my face, including under my jaw. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Very useful, of course, it's very useful. So you guys should also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification button so you get notified anytime I post about skin or beauty. So this is about 8 to 10 minutes of applying this product on my face. It is always advised to wash it off 5 minutes after you've applied it. But I just love to keep products on my face for at about 10 minutes because I have a strong skin. So I'm using my wet towel to wipe it off. Of course, you should wash it off if you're closer to the bathroom, but because I'm doing the video in my room, I always feel comfortable to use a clean towel to wipe it off. So after cleaning off my face with a wet towel, I want to dry it off to apply my moisturizers on my face. Everyone that comes to my YouTube channel knows that this is one of my best products. It's called Cake, and it's a whitening face cream. So I'm sorry if you couldn't see it, my camera was misbehaving. So what I do usually is to put on this face moisturizer or whitening lotion on the place where I have acne spots on my face. I would advise you look for this product, but be careful because it has a lot of imitations in the market. So please, when you're getting this product, ensure that it is the original one. Maybe I'll make a video to tell you guys how to know the original version of this product. Okay, I just noticed that this video was not completed, maybe because my memory was full. But after this, I'm going in with rose hip oil to moisturize my face. Thanks guys for watching.